And as you can see, it does show us as anonymous participant. Hello guys and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can post anonymously on the Facebook group. So you're probably insecure of or you're a hacker and you want to hide your identity. Let's say you just want to post something. You just want to hide your identity. It's a very simple procedure and I just want you to give me your attention so that it will be much easier for you. So first of all, we have to add to Facebook. I'm already here on Facebook. And now, since the topic of the video is to how to post anonymously in a group, let's head into a sample group. Let's say we want to post something here on a Japanese learning group, N5 and 4 entry. And you can see here something called anonymous post. And all you need to do is click on that. And it says here that anonymous posts published in the group do not include your name or profile photo. Admins, moderators, Facebook system can still see your name and profile photo. So, yep. But what matters is everyone else does not. So you can create your anonymous post and let's just wait for it to load for a bit. And as you can see, it does show us as anonymous participant. You can just type in whatever you want. Konnichiwa, minasan. Watashi no namae wa Kim desu. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Oh, what's the point of going anonymous if I'm just gonna tell myself? You have to remember that you still can't post just anything. You have the moderators and admins of the group to look and review the post that you're trying to make to make sure that the space is safe for everyone. So let's say you want to change your mind. You don't want to post anonymously anymore. You want to show yourself bare to the world. Just uncheck this lever here. The switch, and you are back here. You have your text saved, your post saved here. You're not gonna lose anything. You're just gonna lose some dignity. Alright, that's it. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.